If you're researching BuildOps for commercial HVAC in 2026, here's the short answer. BuildOps is one of the strongest commercial HVAC field service management platforms for service, asset management, preventive maintenance, and construction projects. The real question is whether that depth justifies the implementation for your company. What does BuildOps do? It connects dispatch, equipment history, preventive maintenance, service agreement, quoting, invoicing, job costing, and commercial construction project management in one platform. For example, a technician can open the history for an RTU or chiller, complete the required workflow, record refrigerant data, flag a deficiency, and send that information back to the office. On the project side, BuildOps can handle budget, works in progress, RFIs, change orders, daily reports, subcontractors, and closeout. For commercial depth out of the box, BuildOps wins. BuildOps also has a strong AI story now. OpsAI can turn voice notes into structured field notes, summarize work, help with invoice descriptions, scan purchase order information, and assist scheduling. That is much better than adding a generic chatbot beside your dispatch board. For AI inside a pre-built commercial workflow, BuildOps wins again. But now let's talk about scale and fit. BuildOps says most commercial HVAC companies go live in roughly 8 to 12 weeks. That is not automatically bad. A serious system should map data, workflows, ERP connections, roles, and training properly. If you have 10 technicians today, though, as whether the same model will stay usable at 50 or 200 without buying more system than your operation needs. How much does BuildOps cost? BuildOps uses custom pricing based on field and office users, trades, modules, and integrations. Service plans can include dispatch, agreements, quoting, and invoicing, while project plans add RFIs, change orders, daily reports, and job costing. You need a scope proposal, so BuildOps does not win transparency. FieldCamp is the alternative when your company is service-led and operates differently from the standard model. FieldCamp connects the client to contacts, sites, equipment, service agreements, projects, phases, and warranty claims. But unlike a fixed commercial template, those records, fields, stages, relationships, layouts, and workflows can be changed around your company. For example, if your PM agreement covers a named asset list across 3 buildings and every deficiency needs a custom approval path before repair, FieldCamp can model that chain. When 10 technicians become 50, each new branch can extend the same connected account, site, asset, agreement, and project structure instead of inventing branch spreadsheets. Its growth plan is $699 per month for 10 users and scale is $1,499 for 20. For adaptable operations, FieldCamp wins. ServiceTitan is the other alternative. It has mature commercial service, construction, accounting, reporting, agreement, and customer experience depth. If you already use ServiceTitan across a large mixed residential and commercial company, staying in that ecosystem may make more sense than moving to BuildOps. For broad platform maturity, ServiceTitan wins. So, is BuildOps worth it for commercial HVAC? Yes. If you're a commercial first, run serious projects or site service, need real-time work in progress and construction controls, and want commercial workflows ready out of the box. BuildOps can fit from 10 technicians into a much larger operation. If you're service-led and the bigger problem is that your normal software does not match your operation, compare FieldCamp first. Just validate enterprise permissions, integrations, reporting, migration, and support before claiming any platform is ready for 200 technicians. And if you already use ServiceTitan, compare improving that setup against a full migration. What is the best BuildOps alternative? FieldCamp wins configurable operational fit, while ServiceTitan wins mature ecosystem breadth. BuildOps itself still wins commercial project depth. That is the honest BuildOps review for 2026. Be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.